Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I personally wash my hair. So I'm just starting with getting my hair wet. I like to scrunch my hair just to make sure that I'm getting that moisture all in my roots to break up that buildup when I finally do apply some shampoo. So here I am just going to be taking the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line, their shampoo, and I'm going to be applying a generous amount to my roots only. I like to just massage shampoo into my roots instead of all of my hair, because really all you need to be shampooing is your roots. When you rinse it out, the rest of the shampoo will cleanse the rest of your hair, but I like to focus on my roots only. So yeah, right here I'm just going to be grabbing just a little bit more just to get the nape of my head, because I didn't get it too well. But notice how we are scrubbing the dub. So when you do this method, you're going to get a lot more suds. I feel like, I'm not exactly sure why, but I always just get more suds when when I wash my hair this way. So yeah. After I've massaged my scalp very well, I like to just let the water run through my hair and just let the suds go through the rest of my hair, so that way the rest of my hair can get cleansed as well. And I literally try not to manipulate it too much. I just try to let the water run through my hair as best as possible. So I really like this shampoo because when I use it, I don't really get that squeaky clean where it feels like my hair is gonna break type of moisture, but it does allow my hair to get clean, and I can feel how clean it is when I run my hands through it though. So also notice how I am not trying to I guess run my fingers through my hair too much. So here I'm going in with the same line, just their conditioner. I spilled some, y'all, but it's okay because it's gonna get got. So I like to work from the back of my hair to the ends to the roots when I condition. I don't know why, I just feel like I get a lot more conditioner in my hair that way, and we all know conditioner is your best friend, so I try to use as much as possible. So after I pretty much worked all the conditioner through, I like to section my hair just at least in half or in fourths because I'm going to do it anyway. But I like to section my hair so that I can finger detangle first before I go in with my dimming brush, just to get some of those clumps out, and it makes it easier for detangling when I do go in with my deep conditioner and the dimming brush. So when I do my hair like this, when I finger detangle first, I also find that I don't have as much breakage and I don't have as much hair in my brush afterwards. So y'all, look at those curls just after finger detangling. Yes, honey, yes. Okay, so after I finger detangle, I just wash that conditioner out. Um, Let that run through my hair as well. So honestly, at this point, all of the conditioner is out. I just like to get some more moisture into my hair before I put the deep conditioner in. And y'all, look at those curls. Like, that is complete moisture. This is what I mean when I like to say I like my hair soaking wet, because my curls just pop severely. Alright, so now I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections to get ready to deep condition my hair. Okay guys, so once I have sectioned off all of my hair, I like to go in with the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner. Y'all, this stuff really doesn't smell too great, but I feel like it works miracles to my hair. So I like to work that in my hair first in finger detangle, and then I will go in with my Denman brush and just really smooth that out and detangle my hair just a little bit more. And then you'll see me go in as well again with a little bit more to just get it all in my hair. And then I'm gonna wrap it up and go to the next section. Okay guys, so clearly I am done. I'm just going to wash that out, and this is what it looks like as I wash it out. Yes. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.